In this session, I will explain about tab settings in your document. Generally, tab settings appears in the roller, horizontal roller of your document. So, if you are not finding the roller means, go to View tab and select roller. See, there is no roller. If you want roller, you have to select roller again. So, like that, you can select or deselect rollers to your document. And you can place tabs using layout tab, and under paragraph group you have this arrow mark. So, click on this paragraph settings and here you have tabs button. Using this you can set tab positions and alignment of the tabs and what ladder you want for the tab. See, by default tab stops at 1.27 centimeters. I am cancelling. See, suppose hello world I am typing, and if you press tab key in your keyboard, it will move up to 1.27 centimeters. See, before the word I placed the cursor, and if you press tab, see, tab position moved. This is the tab indicator. See, that is the tab indicator. Okay, and if you want to move back, use backspace. Again, the tab position is moving towards the back. Either like this to move the text to the right side, or use backspace to get back the positions. Okay, and see, I am clearing the text. If you want to set the tabs instead of this 1.27 cm, if you want to set particular position to the tab, you can set up here. For example, I am going to prepare a resume and I will type something, name, address, phone number, etc. left side labels, and right side I want the corresponding details. So, after the tab I want exactly the details. So, I will set the position of the tab. Suppose I want exactly the middle 8 centimeters onwards I want the details. So, I am setting the tab at 8 centimeters, and by default left tab will be there, left alignment. See, here also you can find the corresponding symbol of the tab. See, this L type indicates that is the left side tab, left side alignment. Suppose at 8th position I am setting OK, or you can set, I want only one tab, so that's why I am clicking OK. See that in 8th centimeter position in the roller I got left aligned tab. So, here I am going to prepare one resume, suppose name, and press tab key in the keyboard. Exactly it will goes to that 8th centimeter position, and now also you can place, suppose if you press tab, uh, it will comes to 9th point, and I don't want like this. I want at 10th position. So after this tab also you can set up more tabs, like again I am selecting tabs, and after 8th position if you press tab, it has to go to 10th centimeter. So I am giving 10 cm. Okay. So after colon, if you press tab means exactly it will place there. Suppose I am giving Kumar as name, and press enter and give some other details, like suppose I am giving phone, and press tab, it will goes to that position. I am placing colon, again tab, something I am giving some number, and press enter and say address, and press tab and again tab. So exactly what I am getting, the position I am getting to type the text at the exact position, and say email ID and press tab and say colon and something, and qualifications and tab, again tab, so like that exactly at that position I am reaching and placing the content as per my requirement. Okay, so by default this is left tab. See here also you can find the tab type. Suppose if you keep on clipping, that is center tab, and that is right tab. So like that so many tabs will be there, and right now my tab is left. I am keeping as it is. See, you can also change tabs. For example, suppose at the 3rd position I want a center tab. Tabs, center I am giving, and the position is at the 3rd position I am giving. For example, I am giving. And if you want to remove the previous tabs before setting this center tab, so select any one tab and you can clear that individually. Suppose if you want to clear that particular one, you can clear, or if you want to clear all tabs, you can clear. Okay, all tabs cleared. Now if you want to prepare a center tab at 5th position or 3rd position, again go to paragraph settings and tabs. Suppose at 3rd position I am giving center tab. Okay, center tab means when you type, see the symbol also change to center tab. So if you press center tab and if you type something here, see the matter is going rightwards and leftwards, that is making center alignment. Left alignment means only aligns to leftwards. So like that you can place tabs. See, I am clearing this tab. Again next time I am going to set one more tab, that is a bar tab. See, bar tab at 5th position, 5th centimeter position. Okay, but I placed the cursor inside the text. Okay, I am clearing this one. See, there is a bar tab. So, a bar appears at the tab position. The bar comes at the particular tab position. That is the bar tab. And I am going to clear that bar tab. Clear that one. And suppose I am giving left tab, and at the position 5, and I am giving a leader. Leader, before when you press tab, this particular leader will come. Dashes or lines, whatever you want, you can dots, dashes or lines you can set. Suppose I am giving dots. By default it is null, none. Okay. See. And press enter. Then if you press tab means automatically the leader will come. Exactly in that position. Okay. You can also move this tab directly here also. If you click drag outside, that will disappears. See, there is the tab, click on that one and move to some other position. See, right now, if you press the tab, it will stops there only. And you can directly move that one to required position. The tab disappeared. Okay, you can move, click there and drag that one and place there. Okay, if you don't want the tab, again go to paragraphs and tabs. Now I can clear all tabs. So like that you can place tab positions to when you press the tab key in the keyboard, it will reaches the exact position what you required. And see, if you are moving to the upwards, again the previous tab positions are as it is. Current, if you click outside of this area, automatically they will disappear. And if you want to clear all these, for all these, see, I selected and if you have any tabs there, no. And I am clicking in this area, and if you want to clear, there are tabs you can clear right now, clear all. And if you click there, already they are in tab set position. That's why they are appearing. See, here there is no tab. Here there are tabs. If you don't want, again go to tabs and clear all. Only in that point. Okay, like that you can set or remove tabs in your document.